In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable a device in the Device Manager application on your Windows computer. So if you basically want to just turn off the device from loading or booting, this tutorial will be for you. So we're going to jump right into it, and we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. You want to type in Device Manager. Best match should say Device Manager right above Control Panel. You want to left click on that one time to open it up. Now you should see a Device Manager window in here. Now you want to locate whatever category your device would fall under. So let's say it's going to be a network adapter. I'm going to locate my network adapter right here. I'm going to right click on it and then left click on Properties. Now you want to left click on the driver tab up at the top and then left click on Disable Device. So just left click on that one time. Should say disabling this device will cause it to stop functioning. Do you really want to disable it? Left click on Yes. Now the change should be immediate, so at that point you would just be able to close out of these windows and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.